Anna Malika, persuna li kienet vittma ta' traffikar tal-bnedmin. Ma One News titkellem dwar l-esperjenza xokkanti tagħha.
During that time, I faced extreme sexual abuse. He raped me hundreds of times. He cataloged it. There were times I was drugged and I would wake up. I didn't know what had happened. I just knew that something sexual had happened.
L-aggressur komplit Malika kien isegwiha kull fejn tmur, anke jekk kienet tmur tixtri.
I was just like your typical teenager. He just monitored where I went. We'd go to the grocery store, or the supermarket, and I'd go over an aisle, he'd follow me. Doctor's office, he'd follow me, and he'd be with me. So I was living your daily life as a teenager, but he was monitoring everywhere I went.
Minkejja li kienet tgħaddi minn dan l-abbuż kollu, Malika ma kienx konxja x'kien għaddej.
I actually didn't understand I was a victim of human trafficking during it. I just thought I was with my boyfriend.
It-traffikar tal-bnedmin jitqies bħala skjavitu modern, kriminalità u negozju kbir internazzjonali. Biex titqajjem iktar kuxjenza dwar dan it-traffikar, l-organizzazzjoni mhux governattiva Project Stop ħolqot proġett bl-isem ta' Code Red. Proġett li huwa involut kontinwament fil-komunità biex titqajjem iktar kuxjenza fost il-pubbliku rigward it-traffikar tal-bnedmin. Il-Ministru għall-Familja u Solidarjetà Soċjali Michael Farrugia qal li l-Gvern huwa kommess biex din is-sitwazzjoni tintemm darba l dejjem. Il-Ministru ħabbar li dawk iż-żgħażagħ immigranti li għandhom iktar minn 18-il sena se jingħataw l-opportunità li jattendu skola tal-Ingliż ġewwa pajjiżna. U għamel referenza għal dawk il-każi ta' tfal li huma migranti illegali li jiġu f'pajjiżna mhux akkumpanjati mill-ġenituri tagħhom. Semma kif lil dawn it-tfal trid tingħatalhom opportunità li jgħixu barra minn ċentri ta' fejn jinżammu persuni oħra u jkollhom iċ-ċans ukoll għal taħriġ.